Today I'll be showing you what works on my Hackintosh Dell Latitude laptop. So I installed this 10 days ago, approximately 10 days ago, and I did not want to upload the video on how I did it until I was sure it was working perfectly well. So I'm a designer, then I've been able to get Chrome, Photoshop and everything working. Then I'll show you what works. So basically, about this Mac, as it is macOS Monterey, displays all working, storage, this is an external disk, memory, support, resources. Okay, then also I was able to get the Wi-Fi working, the battery power working, the earpiece working, the speaker too works. Then I was able to install OneDrive, that's from a Microsoft, to bring up what I packed up in my OneDrive account when I was using Windows, right? Okay, so Siri 2 works, the Bluetooth works too, works perfectly well. Okay, but there are some times where I notice the Bluetooth just goes off by itself, then I have to restart to bring it back on. Then I also get some errors that does not affect what I'm doing, by the way. As for the sound, I noticed the speaker was not as loud as it used to be, right, when you're on Windows, but it works well. Then you can also see the earpiece too, the audio port works for the E7 the audio port works and everything works, speaker, the microphone, webcam too also works when I'm using it for Google Meet meetings or Zoom. I was also able to get Word installed, and basically these are the apps I've gotten installed: VLC, Photoshop, Wondershare, Filmora, Google Chrome, FileZilla, OneDrive, Excel, PowerPoint, Figma, WhatsApp. So basically everything works, including the browser. Then also for iMessage, I'm yet to try it out because I lost access to my Apple iCloud. We'll be getting the retrieval by 23rd, that's next 2 days. Probably by then, if I get it and I see it works, I'm going to record the video. So let me know down in the comments if you actually really want a video on how to install macOS Monterey on your Dell Latitude laptop and get it working. Okay, I also noticed the Airdrop wasn't working, so do not expect the Airdrop to work. I tried the Airdrop, it was not working. The Mail app actually works, the iTunes works, the App Store works, but the Airdrop was not working. Then also you get system updates, right? For example, I have a system update here I've not yet done, but it's already asking to update. I've not done it yet. Okay, so as for the mouse, I was also able to get the trackpad working, even though I use an external mouse. I was able to get the trackpad working. The middle trackpad too also works, right? And the other two extra right and left click also work. So trackpad is all working and fine. Keyboard works well, even though your Windows is the command key and your control is the option key. So yeah, that works well. And also notice the battery ran down a little bit faster than on Windows. Okay, on Windows I get 4 hours use once fully charged, 4 to 5 hours, but on this I'm getting 3 hours, which is quite manageable. Yeah. Then I noticed I'm using an 8 gig RAM. And using an 8 gig RAM, I noticed it actually did not lag as Windows used to lag. Okay, so I'm using an 8 gig RAM in one slot. I plan to upgrade it so I could enjoy the macOS better. Then the only issue I found on my macOS, which happens once in a while when I don't restart my laptop often, or I just leave it sleeping for a while, 2 hours, and come back to use it, is I could be working then just restarts. That's especially when I do not shut it down after a long while. Like I've been using it for 16 hours, I use for 9 hours sleep, do not end up shutting it down the next day, then it just goes blank and restart by itself. So that's basically the only issue I have actually had with the macOS. Thank you very much.